Rambo band to start the show. And revving up for action, here's our star. What a...
This bike is really hard to start. It's got a lot of compression. I think it's the 10,000th head gasket I put on it. I was busting these starter ropes, so I got this guaranteed to never break again starter rope, and it busted. Then it busted the little handle, and I got the Cobra aluminum handle. Then I broke my wrist. Now I'm afraid to pull start it, because when it kicks back, it yanks your arm out of your socket. I got my wind-up starter in the mail today. It's a lot better quality than it looked like on eBay from the pictures. It's real heavy duty. It's almost like a Bakelite. Heavy duty plastic. It has an extension, I guess, so if you are trying to crank it and you hit the gas tank or something, you can extend it out there, or you can just do it like this. I think you wind it up and then flip that lever and it should start it. A wind-up handle here. Put that on and you wind it up. Whoops, looks like I've already got an issue. I hit that. Let's see if I can fold that out of the way. There we go. Oh boy, it's getting tighter. Looks like it's about as far as it goes. I'm going to push down on this and release it and see what happens. I gotta hold this down for a little bit longer. Alright, let's see if this thing works. I'm gonna wind her up this way. That's as far as she goes. Flip this down. Nice. And what's cool is this can go in here. Boom. Ready to rock.